Is Jordan Brand skimping out on the men? What's going on, YouTube? This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, back again with another unboxing for you. And it's been a minute since I've actually had a Jordan 1 here on the channel, and I'm proud to present the Jordan 1 gold medals. And speaking of gold medals, shout out to the men's USA basketball team, the Olympic team that is, for winning a gold medal over France today. Shout out to them boys for bringing it home. In any case, let's go ahead and take a quick look here at the shoe. But before we do, we definitely got to take a look at the box that they came in. And this box here, man, I love the way this came out. This is probably one of the nicer Jordan 1 boxes that, in my opinion, we have gotten. In any case here, let me go ahead and read the label. Label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, metallic gold, and sailed. Now, the tissue paper that is in this shoe is a ton of it. Both shoes came double wrapped in tissue paper. I'm gonna save you guys from all that, but here we go, the Jordan 1 gold metallic, and I love the way these came out. I mean, definitely a nice looking shoe here, but again, I think Jordan Brand skimped on these compared to what they gave us with the ladies on this shoe here in particular, even though it did come in extended sizing, but we'll get to that here in a second. We got all gold here around the collar area, a black embossed wings logo. The Nike swooshes are both gold, and if you look closely there, they actually gave us some crinkling in that gold swoosh. Taking a look here at the toe box area, it's gold as well. The mud guard is all black. The midsole is sail, and the outsole is gum bottom. The top of the tongue tag here is gold as well, and the tongue itself is all black nylon. And on the inside of the sock liner, it's all black in there. And then on the insole foot pad, you got Nike Air written in gold as well. Now, the interesting thing is these shoes did come with this gold hang tag here, okay, but no extra laces. What is going on with that? Now, the other Jordan 1 we got with no extra laces were these right here, the Palomino ones, which a lot of people are trying to compare this shoe to, which when you put them close together like that, yeah, they share the same color midsole being sail, but I don't necessarily see real similarities except for the fact that the color blocking, the way they did it, is the same. This brown on here and this gold are far from each other, in my opinion. Hey, real quick, I gotta add this in here. As I was editing my video, I totally forgot to mention how close these gold medal ones look like the Carmelo PE Jordan 1s that dropped there in 2014. You can automatically see the similarities with that gold and black and the color blocking. Now, they changed the tongue up. You know, they put Melo symbol on there and stuff like that, but these are definitely a close match to that shoe. But what these actually do need to be compared to are the women's gold metallics that dropped earlier this year. Now, this here has a lace swapped in, and I got white leather laces with gold tips in them, but what they do come with are these white laces here, and then inside this box is an extra set of gold laces that came with the women's shoe. Now, once again, these did come in extended sizing, and I don't know, I don't know if I like the shinier gold versus the muted gold better. I'm not necessarily sure. Either way, I like them both. Now, again, these came both with gum bottom outsoles, but I will say the leather quality that is on the women's shoe, I think is far superior than what we got here on the men's shoe. Now, I'm not saying it's shattered backboard level. For some of you out there, y'all know what it is I'm talking about, what that inside joke's about, but it is a very nice leather in comparison to what we got on here. Not that these are bad, you know what I mean, but it's not as good as what these look like. In any case, guys, let me go ahead and throw these on feet and we will close out. All right, so let me know how you guys are feeling about the Jordan 1 gold medals. Me personally, I love the way this shoe came out. I mean, it's nothing crazy special, you know what I mean? I just really like this shoe. But whether or not you guys like the shoe or don't like it, let me know down there in the comment section below. I'd love to have the conversation with you guys. In any case, please smash that like button for me. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for tapping in. Hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.